Hey everyone, welcome to Smart Spots. Today I'm going to be showing you how to save files for the web. So I opened up my stock photo in Adobe Photoshop, and I already know that this image is going to be way too big because stock photos are very high quality. So the first thing I need to do is resize this image. So I'm going to go up here to the menu and click Image, Image Size. And as you can see, this image is over 3,000 pixels wide and 19.8 megabytes in size. So that's way too big for the web. You want to keep all of your images around 200 kilobytes or less. So I know if the width of my blog is only 700 pixels wide, where all the text is, that's what I need to make the size of my image. So I'm going to enter in 700 where it says width, and it'll size it down proportionately for me. And as you can see, that decreased the size tremendously. Now it's only 957 kilobytes, which is still too big, but we'll fix that. So I'm going to click OK. And you can see that it made my image smaller. So instead of just clicking Save As like you normally would, you want to export the image and save for web. So you go to File, Export, Save for web. This will open up a prompt that has lots of options on it, but you don't need to worry about most of these. So I'm going to come over here, and right now it's set to GIF, and I want it to be JPEG because that's the best for photos. So right now it's showing as low quality and it doesn't look very good, so we're going to click this and change it to high. And then the quality is at 60, and you don't really ever want to go below 60 unless you just absolutely have to, just so that you don't sacrifice too much of the image quality. So if you go over here, you can see that it says that the image is 43 kilobytes. So if you want, you could bump up the quality just a little bit. So let's just try 80. That's 78. I can go a little bit higher. 90, 124, so that's still good. Let me try 100. So now it says that it's 207 kilobytes, so I'm thinking 90 is probably the best for this because it keeps it under 200K without sacrificing too much quality. And save. And you're done.